So anyway, Johnny, I'm really excited because today we're going to pay a visit to one of Australia's most beautiful couples. We've got Tegan Martin, she's former Miss Universe Australia, and her boyfriend, PT to the stars, Blake Worrall-Thompson.
Lynne, I've told you I'm not filming with anybody that's more beautiful than I am.
Pay attention, all right? These guys are already HelloFresh users, so we're going to see what kind of an impact using HelloFresh makes on their already busy lives. Hi, darling.
Come through.
So, this is where the magic happens, eh?
Sure is.
Don't you have a bedroom?
Oh,
Johnny?
we've got one of those as well, mate. We're right.
So you must be a pretty good cook having a celebrity chef as a dad.
Well, no, that gene hasn't really kicked in yet, unfortunately.
Well, love, you're going to have to step up to the plate today because Tegan and I have got some catching up to do. See you soon. Don't burn anything. Lovely to see you again, darling.
You too.
And you're looking, as always, fantastic.
Thank
What
you.
is your secret?
Try and go to bed before 10 p.m. No phones after like 7:30 p.m. That's my biggest secret. I'm definitely time poor at the moment. It's been a pretty crazy schedule, so I'm loving coming home, not having to think. Don't have time to shop, but it's all there done for me. HelloFresh has been really good.
All right, why don't we go with the dukkha and dill crusted salmon?
Yeah, perfect low-calorie option.
All right, before we get started, I think we should clear the air. You do realise that Tegan played my ex-girlfriend on screen.
Yeah, I know that.
Hope that doesn't intimidate you.
Mate, I wasn't real.
Okay. You want to cut the carrots or should I?
Yeah, I better do that.
So, love, you were Miss Universe Australia in 2014, am I right?
I was, Lynn.
I think they should have a Mrs. Mature Australia.
Oh my God, Lynn. That is great.
And who better to represent our country than moi?
Oh, I love it. Should I give you some tips
I
then?
would love some tips.
All right, here we go.
So how does HelloFresh fit in with your strict diet?
We're not actually that strict. We tend to keep it pretty balanced. A few low-calorie meals and then something a little bit more gourmet for date night.
And bang. Bang, give me the hips, Lynn, bang. All right, now one foot goes out, that's it. Now flip the hair a little bit, pout, shift the weight around, turn, back we go. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, girl. Boys, how's it going?
Well, actually, pretty good. 10 minutes in the oven and it's done.
Oh, we've got time to go shoot some hoops.
Yeah, why not? Lynn, you in? You in?
What?
You guys ready for this?
Ready or what?
I got it!
There it is! Yes!
Yeah.
That's time, guys. We'll go sort dinner out.
Yay. Let's eat and run, yeah?
Run? Everything
Oh,
hurts.
come on, darling.
You are so clever. I'm so proud of you. It looks beautiful.
Thanks.
He's creative.
Wacko. That looks amazing.
Well done.
Cheers. Thank
guys.
you so much.
Thanks for coming around.
I'm loving these little jobbies.
What do you guys think?
This is sensational. I'm so full, that was fantastic. Let's get the hell out of here before they offer us a half marathon as dessert.
Oh, it's getting late. Whew.
Will you look at the time? We have to go, guys.
Guys, so soon.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's been fantastic. We've loved every minute of it. We'd stay and help, but
Oh, no,
we are
don't worry. We'll
busy.
I think you'll be cooking every night from now on, babe.
HelloFresh, delivering simply delicious meals to more people than ever.